Here's another home improvement tip from Todd and Todd.
So today we're going to take a look at how to tilt a double hung window in for cleaning from the inside of the house. First thing you need to do is simply open the window, unlock the window, move the latches toward the center of the window, open from the bottom about 1/3 of the way up. Then the latches that you use to open the window, simply press them towards the glass on the outside and then pull back towards you evenly, and the window will come down like this so that you can clean from the inside of the house like this. Then simply allow the window to gently set on the bottom or put it on a chair. Then you can move the top sash down, and then you have 2 more release latches at the top. Simply press those in toward the center and pull evenly back towards you. And then you can simply clean the window like this. You can even allow it to hang down like that. That's fine. And then simply to close the windows, you go evenly back up. Let them snap into place. Put the top one, make sure that it's seated in the top C-channel. Then the bottom one, simply evenly press and do the same operation to snap it into place. Push down from the top, not from the center, down from the top, and then make sure the top sash is seated, that the locks are in their open position, seat the bottom sash, and lock the window. It's that easy.